Good morning, adventurers. Welcome to episode 2. Oh, pink coffee cup. Nothing better. So, sorry I cut the video short last night. It got dark real goddamn quick. And GoPro went flat. Again, only got one battery for this thing, so it happens quite frequently. We got the first coat on. I like it. It's a good colour. Some of you might think it's going to be white, might think it looks white, but it's not, and I'll show you a comparison. But this is the colour. So it is grey, it is not white. Damn, it's a bit close. So, today, we're going to finish it. Or finish painting it anyway. I have got a couple of clips of painting it last night. They're not the best quality, but I'll throw them in anyway. Just a quick snippet. And yeah, you can see the struggles that I was going through in the dark. Oh no! Oh no! So, just so you can see the comparison, this is white. That's the comparison. White, grey. So, it might not look too different on camera like that. Looks white. It's not, it's grey. That's the colour that we're after. So, we'll just keep going. Get some more paint mixed up. Could add 50 mils of the black to the 1 litre of RAPTOR, thin it out 25% with the hardener, get it in a top load spray gun, and we'll get going. Alright, now we're going to start mixing the paint. So last night, to get the grey that we wanted, I had to add 50 mils of black to the white RAPTOR kit to get it. So add 50 mils of black into the RAPTOR kit, and then we'll test it on the stick and see if we get the same colour that we had last night. Alright, had to put it on time lapse, it just takes too long. It would have been too boring for you to watch. Colour's ready, we've got the hardener in it, mixed it up already. We're about to put it in the mixing cup. We're going to mix it at a 3:1 ratio. So, 1 part paint, 1 part hardener, and then percentages of thinners. So, because I've already got the hardener in, you go to the second line and then you just add your thinners to thin it out for the gun. So last night I thinned it out, I think it was about 25 or 30%, but look at that colour, spot on match, mate. So we're going to get this in. So we'll go to 3, get that bang on right there. Right, so you can see our paint line there. You probably can't really see it. We got paint line here, then we're going to thin it out. Going between 25, we're going between 20 and 30%, so we're at about 25% thinned. Oh, probably better not use that, it'll make it a bit darker. Hang on, let me get a rag. Oh, there we go, look at that, perfectly good blanket. Ugh. Righto. Now we mix. Actually, while we're waiting, let's probably turn on the compressor. So you don't need no big impressive compressor. I got this from Repco, paid 190 bucks on sale. Works just fine. You don't need no fancy big air compressors and all this fancy crap. Just get a compressor, get a gun, get the kit, and wing it. It works. Alright, sorry for the time lapse, but we're ready. Time to get this next coat on this bad girl. Set these up on a time lapse, we'll keep painting.
What it is. The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window, or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes. The world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What truth? That you are a...
Welcome back. You just missed out on a little bit. GoPro went flat, so I had to go inside and put it on charge. Same dilemma. It is what it is. So, this is where we're at. I'm just doing a texture coat now, so it's not going to be so fine. It's going to still give it that really rough look. Not overly rough because it's still a top load spray gun, but rough enough where it doesn't look like a base coat, flat, matte crap. So this is where it's at. Bit hard to see with the light, but if I find a good quarter, where we're at. Might have a look at the other side. Need to find a panel that's in the sun. Oh, there we go. So it's thinned out, but it's still got that texture look. Beautiful. So just feathering on. So we're just feathering it, turn the PSI right down. I've backed the paint screw out so it lets a bit more through, the flow screw or whatever the hell it is. So we're literally just doing a light spray over the top, and that's just going to give us that texture that we're after. Don't need to be too accurate when you're spraying it like this, because it does fan out quite nicely to give you that texture. So just a light coat. This is the final coat. I've used 3 litres on this plus the 2 litres that were already on it, so I've got 5 coats of RAPTOR. Not 1, not 2, 3, 4, but 5, because 95, you know, it's just a flowing number. So this will be the final coat. This will be the final coat because it's a texture coat. And then the last litre that I've got, the last litre that I have will be going black. We'll be blacking it right out, and we will be putting it on the bull bar. So while this is setting and drying, we'll get the bull bar out, get it sanded back, get it prepped. I'll get all that on video now that this thing's charged. So we'll get all that done, let that sit to dry, and yeah, I'll chuck these on another time lapse yet again because I can't be bothered to hold yous. So I'll chuck these on a time lapse. We'll get this texture coat done, and then we'll get to doing the bull bar. Final coat finished. Now we got 1 litre of RAPTOR coat left, and I've still got about 300 mils or 400 mils or so of black. So we're going to black that out, prep the bull bar, and we're going to get the black RAPTOR on the bull bar, see how that turns out. Catch you then. Alright, so we got the bull bar prepped, sanded. So I started mixing black with the RAPTOR coat. I couldn't exactly get it to black, so I got it to a really dark grey. I'm going to paint it the grey, let it cure a bit, and then I'm just going to go over it with some black rattle tins. I just wanted to get the texture on it so it matches the car and the bull bar and all the rest of it. So we'll I'll chuck you guys on a time lapse yet again, and we'll get this bar painted, let it set, get some black paint on it, and see how it turns out. back again. We've got the paint finished. I've painted the grill. The bull bar's still not dry enough to go on today, but I got the grill back on and I'm happy as with the paint. I hope you guys are too. I'll show you a little clip of the car now. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Episode 3, we're going to fit the bull bar, get some maintenance done on the drivetrains, and a few other bits and pieces. But catch you on the next one. You.